Let's have a look at the equation tool inside OneNote for Windows 10. So for this one, we're going to have a go at doing a couple activities. And equations is located in Insert and then moving over here to equations. So we have three examples here that we're going to have a go at, and I want you to follow along with me. So you've got a couple of options here. What we can do is click there initially and then click equations, and it's going to ask you to type it. So we've got this kind of written as 2 divided by 1, but we want to write it with the correct symbols. So what we're going to do is we're going to start writing 2 inside of our equation. And then what we do is we're going to move over here to our symbols. Now, I kind of have some recent ones running, but let's click here where it says symbols. If it's the first time, you won't have too many recent ones. I'm going to look for the divide sign. Here it is there. So there's a division sign. And then I'm going to write 1. And so I can see that I can write that more correctly than what is on the left. Let's try this with this one. Sometimes this is an X. It's not technically a multiplication sign. So I'm going to write 10. But this time I haven't hit equations first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write 10. But I can still just come over here and click the multiplication sign and then go times 32. The last one here is 3 over 9. So this is more focused around structures. So when we want to do this one, what we have to do first is put the structure in. So structures are located here next to symbols. And so when I look for my structure, I'm looking for like a fraction style structure for this one. So this one here represents our fractions. Then I can come over in here, I can see my kind of my standard fraction setup. So what I do is I click on that one, it pops it in like so, but then I can click on these little boxes that exist. So if I click the first one, I can write a 3. If I click the bottom one, I can type a 9 as well. And so there are my examples. So this is how I've written. The purple is how I've written them just using the keyboard, but the green is how they can be rewritten using the equation tools. So I want you to have a go at trying those three for me as well.